In this video, I'm going to unbox the VEVOR MIG 270. We're going to see what all comes in the box, what accessories there are, and we're going to measure several of them and the dimensions of the machine. And we're going to weigh a lot of things, starting with weighing the entire package. Let's go hang it on the scale. 34.27 pounds. Box in a box. The machine itself with the 240 cord is 18.4 pounds. It's got a length of 18.25 inches, a height, not including the handle, of 12 inches, including the handle around 14.75. Width is just under 7.5 inches. The total cord length seems to be 65 inches. That's a little over 5 feet, and it appears that the first 5 feet of that is usable length. Included is an adapter for the 240 plug to a 110. There's also a wire brush and a little bit of a slat hammer. There are some instructions, and there are some clamps that are for the hose for the argon. This does not come with an argon tank, and it doesn't come with an argon tank regulator. It does come with the hose. It doesn't mean you can't weld with it when you first get it, because it comes with gasless flux core wire. So you could still wire weld with flux core wire without gas. And this roll of wire is 2.2 pounds. And you can't weld without something to protect your eyes. So they did send these glasses. But I think I'll stick to my welding helmet. It takes about 18 pounds of pressure to open up the clamp. And it weighs 13 ounces. .79 inches long, and it looks like about 6 feet of that is usable. We have a stick cable, weighs about 15 ounces. It's got some strong clamping force there. Let's see. About 6 feet of usable length, total length, 82 inches. We're not going to get that on the scale. Let me go hang it over here, and then I'll tell you what it weighs. Weighs 3 pounds, 5 ounces on the hanging scale. Five feet, 6 feet, 7 feet, 8 feet, 9 feet, around 116 inches. Looks like 8.5 feet of workable length. Comes with a couple of tips, couple of spare tips. Now we have the TIG torch, 2 pounds and 6 ounces. Comes with all the little parts for the head. Okay, we've got an extra 7 feet on the tube. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 usable, workable feet of TIG torch. Overall, 13 foot. Here's your closer look at some of the accessories that come with the TIG torch head. These are all the accessories included in the box with the VEVOR MIG 270 3-in-1. In my next video, I'm going to go over 10 features you should know about this machine. And another video after that, we're going to be welding some things with this machine.